Yes! Yes na yes! Connected tayo! Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel! 6. So I have a file. You have to go to the description below the video and you'll be able to see the link. So server 6, that one, and you must... Okay guys, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to download my files when you go to my Telegram or to my YouTube channel. There's a link. So I'm going to teach you how to download my files. Okay, just wait for 5 seconds or 10 seconds to click the download now, and then you will be directed. Yeah, the first tab. There's so many ads, so click the first tab, guys. And after that, there's many ads. The picture. Click the I'm not a robot, and you'll answer the CAPTCHA. Okay guys, there's so many ads, so just click the first tab. Answer the CAPTCHA. And there are cars. Click the cars. So many ads. First tab. After that, verify if it's correct, the cars. Then click continue. You'll be directed, and there will be a file. That's the file, boy corner 1 month server 6. You can edit it, so if you download it, it's easy to locate where's the file name of your downloaded file. It's done already. Let's go to the application and import the file. Let's disconnect this first, and then there. Let's go to the download. Click the boy kernel 1 month server. It's February 25 because it's February 25 today. So it's easy for me to locate. For that, you must have a username and account. So there's the description, the link to the video to how to make your account good for 30 days. There's a link. Just click the link below. That's it. vpnsplit.com. Put your username and your password. Any password that you like. Put your password here. Then after that, click the add button, upper right corner. After you put the username and the password, let's disconnect this first. Then let's go to the downloaded file. Okay, congrats! You are now connected. Free file. Let's go to the YouTube if it's working. Okay, it's loading, I think. Okay, let's try this video. Okay, it's working, guys. It's super fast. The buffering is so fast. Download the file now, guys. That's it. It's very fast. It's working.
Hindi po.
Okay. You can also go to the Telegram if you have a Telegram application. If you haven't, just download it in the Play Store. You can go to the Play Store and download the Telegram. That's the name of my Telegram, boy configs. You can search it or click the link in the description, so you'll be directed to the Telegram. to my Telegram name. So our files are there on Telegram. Okay guys, that's it. Then open. That's boy corner. File name. Super easy. Just click the link. It's world.com. So every 6 hours will be updated the file, so you will be connected and there will be a less disconnection of your files. So our files is affiliate links, so there will be an ads or a seconds before you can download the files, so just bear with it guys. That's it guys, just click the link. Thank you guys for supporting my YouTube channel, even though we have small videos and our subscribers still small. Thank you so much guys for being here, supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.